finally we have completed 1 year on YouTube. Thank you for joining this journey, and also all the newcomers, new subscribers. Thank you for subscribing my channel. So we have finally completed 1 year on YouTube. So in 2020 in September I posted my first YouTube video. That was a channel trailer, and from there I started my YouTube journey and this content creation, full-time content creation journey. So I was doing this full-time, and yeah, in 2021 this is not going to be a full-time job because I have to do my studies, further studies, graduation, and yeah, I've taken admission right now. So just waiting for my classes to start, and till that time this is gonna be a full-time, but after that I will try to manage I will try to coordinate everything. So as I said, we have completed 1 year here on YouTube, so I wanted to have like a small celebration here on my channel, and yeah, I'm going to do make it a series. So this is going to be our 1 year celebration where I will be posting 12 videos because we have completed 12 months. So in the month of September there will be 12 videos and also 2 giveaways. So yeah, really happy to do this, and I'm really excited for this series. It's gonna be really fun, really interesting, and I'm gonna make lots of content. And the very first video of this series is going to be August picks. Now I have picked few items online and offline, and I have been doing this monthly haul videos every month. So yeah, I thought of starting this series with this one video because it's gonna be really interesting and you guys really enjoy watching this monthly haul video. So I thought of starting this series with this one video. So there's a small change in this haul. Now every month, the monthly haul videos that I do every month, I don't include offline products, but this month I'm going to include offline products too because yeah, I went out and I have picked few items. And also don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit that small bell icon so that every time I post a new video you guys get notified. And with that, let's get started with today's video. I'm going to start with the online products that I have from shopping apps. So we shall start with the online products. So I have few products that are from Amazon. Now I'm keeping those products for Amazon haul, so I'm not gonna include those products in this one video because it's gonna be just a waste of time. एक ही product को बार-बार haul videos में दिखाना वो थोड़ा boring हो जाता है. So I'm gonna keep it very interesting. So I'm not going to show you those products which I am going to show you in the Amazon haul. So yeah, starting up with the very first product, I picked up something from Clovia. So a few months back I did a video which was Clovia haul, and from that video I was getting regularly getting comments regarding the Clovia hipster review. So there is a girl who was asking me to share my own reviews about the Clovia hipsters. So I was trying to just pick up some hipsters from Clovia. Now there was a problem that I was going through, that I was not getting my size. Whenever I was adding those products in my cart, it was showing out of stock. So yeah, there was a problem that I was facing for a really long time, and finally I picked one hipster. So I wanted to pick up a combo, and I was trying to pick hipsters when there was running a offer on Clovia app, and the offer is really interesting where you are getting, I think 499 May you are getting 4 hipsters. But whenever I was adding those hipsters, the one which I wanted for me, they were showing out of stock. So there was a problem, out of stock problem, every time I was adding hipsters. And finally this month, in the August month, I picked one hipster. So again there was a problem. I was ordering hipsters from in August month, and again there was something out of stock problem, size problems going on. So I picked only one, and the hipster that I picked from Clovia is this one. There is a very cute cheetah print kind of thing going on, and the fabric is very soft of this one. This is one of my favorite hipsters that I've got from Clovia. It's very good, it's very soft, and it's very soft to my skin, and the fabric is cotton. So there is 94% cotton and 6% spandex, and as I said, the fabric is very soft and it's very breathable, and also this has this kind of lining thing going on over here. And yeah, the lining is not that thick, it's very thin, and the fabric is a little bit stretchable, and the prints are very good. Now the one thing that I don't like about this, that if you ever wash this, it kind of leaves this color. ऐसा होता है ना, जैसे कुछ कपड़ों को आप जब वॉश करो तो वो कलर छोड़ते हैं. The same thing is with this one hipster, and that is not what I like about this hipster. But yeah, talking about the quality is very good. It's very soft, the fabric is very good, and the MRP is just 159 rupees. Like, oh my god, the MRP of this is just 159 rupees. The size that I am in is medium. Now there was a size issue again with this one, but I really like the prints of this one, so the small size, my usual size, was not available, so I picked up one size larger. So I went for the medium size because I really wanted to have this hipster in my wardrobe, and yeah, I have it right now. So as I went for one size larger than my usual size, it is not like it is very loose on me, it's not very tight, it's not very loose, it is something right in between. And yeah, this is what I love about my hipster. I don't want them to be very tight or very loose, and yeah, this is what I have from Clovia. Okay, so the very next item that I have for this whole video, and I picked up from Amazon, and this is a novel that I picked from Amazon, and the novel that I'm talking about is this one. This is Harry Potter and Philosopher's Stone. Now, I've been really loving Harry Potter from ages. Like, I can say I'm the biggest fan of Harry Potter because I'm someone who can rewatch movies and shows. The movie that I've rewatched the most is the Harry Potter. I can just pick any of the parts and I just start watching that. And this Harry Potter movie just helps me in uplifting my mood. It kind of works as a therapy for me, and so I have picked this book. Now the book is a little bit different from the movie, and I can say that book, according to me, book is more interesting than the movie because there are some characters which you will not find in the movie. कुछ ऐसे characters भी हैं जिनके बारे में movie में बताया नहीं गया है, but they have, like, this book have those characters, and it's very enjoyable to read this one book. It's very interesting. I've already read this book before in my library, but I want to have the Harry Potter book series with me at my home so that whenever I want to read this, I can read it out. And also I wanted to get into the reading habit again because before my 9th standard, I was in the habit of reading novels a lot. Like, I used to read novels, books a lot, and after like 8th class, I stopped reading novels, and now I want to get into the reading habit again. So I have already read out 3 books. These are the 3 books that you can see behind, like over here. These are the 3 books that I've already read, and I was not getting the habit of reading regularly. Like, इन books को complete करने में मुझे बहुत time लग गया, and I wanted to get a book which I can read regularly and get in the habit of reading books. So I picked this very interesting book of Harry Potter. This is the first part. This is the Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone. It's very interesting. So if you have watched movie but you haven't read this Harry Potter book, you definitely need to read this out because it's very interesting. They have very different characters and little different stories also going in over here. So they have all kind of details, and I have already completed till here the Quidditch one, and yeah, I have to read out this much, but yeah, I'm gonna complete it very soon. By like this week I'm gonna complete it. And the MRP of this one is $4.99, but the offer price on Amazon was $2.48. So yeah, I picked it up, and yeah, I'm just enjoying this book. Now the next item that I have is a stationery item, and I picked up this masking tape from Flipkart. Now there were 2 masking tapes. I've already finished one, and this is the next one that I have, and this is the only one that is left with me right now. So these masking tapes are basically used by painters when they are painting walls, and if they are making like some kind of paintings, different kind of designs on walls, they use these masking tapes. And I don't use it for painting. Like, I used to stick my things, like my paintings, on walls. So I have a lot of paintings. I used to paint a lot. Currently I have stopped it, but yeah, I'm getting into the habit of doing it again. So I shoot regularly, and I just want my background to be different every day. So I like to keep changing my backdrops, and I like to keep changing my paintings. And for pasting paintings on the walls, I don't use cellotapes, the transparent ones, because they leave that black stain on the walls and it looks very dirty. It just makes the walls very dirty, and I don't use them. I use these masking tapes. And also, if you can see, like, these roses behind me, these I have pasted all of these on this wall with this one tape. They don't leave stains, and you can remove it whenever you want, and you can keep it till whenever you want. So these are must buy. I would highly recommend you guys to get this one. And I got these 2 masking tapes for 165 rupees from Flipkart. Now these are the random things that I picked from shopping apps like Amazon, Flipkart and Clovia. And now I'm going to include some fashion items. So the very next item that I'm going to show you is a fashion item, and I got this t-shirt from Meesho. Now this is a t-shirt which I have from Meesho, and this is in a maroon color. So this is what the t-shirt looks like. It's very pretty, and it depends on you where you want to wear this. You can wear this to your college, to coaching, and even if you are going for shopping, you can wear this. Just wear jeans and you are good to go. And yeah, if you want, you can also wear this at home because the fabric is very good. Like, it's very soft, and it's very soft to my skin, my body. The fabric is really amazing, and yeah, the quality is also good of this one. Now I don't like this one thing over here. Now this comes over here on this shoulder, and it kind of hurts my shoulder. I don't know, like, it is not of a good quality, and it is not at all stretchable, and you can't even resize it because there is nothing. This is just a ribbon kind of thing, and I don't like this at all because it's very harsh. It kind of like it sometimes hurts me over here. So yeah, this is what I don't like, and I am thinking of removing it up, but yeah, let's see what I'm gonna do it. And other than this, there's one more thing that I don't like is this print over here. Now the print says girls rule, and the print is coming out. Like, you can see, I have not washed it yet, but yeah, it has came out. And don't like, it is not soft. The print is not soft. It is very tight. The print is very tight, and it's not good. The printing thing is not again good, and yeah, the quality of the fabric is good, but these two things are something that I won't recommend you guys to get this one top. But yeah, if you want, you can get this top because this was just for 213 rupees, and it was a good deal. But yeah, you can get some more good t-shirts. If you're looking for a t-shirt, don't get this one. It is not a very comfortable t-shirt, so yeah, I won't recommend you guys to get this one. And yeah, it depends on you if you want to invest your money on this one or not. So those are the products that I got from online. Now moving on to the offline part, I have few jewelries that I picked offline. Now the first jewelry that I have is these earrings. This is very cute, like, it's very aesthetic, and it's just so pretty, and it's giving like a kind of a boho vibe, and it's very beautiful. This has a jute kind of thing over here, and this detailing is just so beautiful. And also the back side of this one is not so thick, so if you have small holes just like me, it will not hurt you. It's very thin. And yeah, these are what I got from Patkapuram market, and these were just for 60 rupees, and it was such a good deal, so I picked these up from there. And yeah, these are the earrings that I have from Patkapuram. The next item that I'm going to show you are from Westside. So I recently visited Babe Mall of Lucknow, and this is what I've got from Westside. Now these are the earrings. These are very pretty. This has like a magnet kind of thing over here, and this has tassels, like a thread kind of thing going over here, and this is the back side. It looks so pretty, and it looks more pretty on me. And yeah, these are the earrings that I have from there. It's very beautiful. These are just for 100 rupee, I guess, and there was an offer going on over there, and this was a fresh set of them. So yeah, I picked these just for 100 rupees, and yeah, really loving them. Very next and the last item is going to be this one chain that I again picked from Westside. Now this is very beautiful, and from the longest time I wanted to have this chain in my jewelry box, like from the longest time. I was searching on Amazon and also on other websites to get this kind of a chain, but I wasn't getting the one that I wanted, and जो मुझे अच्छा लगा, that was expensive. Now Westside was having the best jewelry collection. I would say they have an amazing collection of jewelries, and when it comes to neck pieces, they have such an awesome collection of jewelries, neck pieces. And from there I have picked this really pretty chunky neck piece. It's so pretty. It is in gold, and it's very beautiful. I'm really obsessed with this one currently, and you are going to see this in a lot of my YouTube videos and also in a lot of my pictures, because I just love this, and I can style this with any of my outfits. Like if I'm wearing just a simple active wear, just a simple jogger with a loose t-shirt, this, if I add this, it will add a bomb to my outfit. and this was just for 299 rupee, and it is such an amazing deal to get this one. The quality is at the top notch. It's very good, it's very affordable, and yeah, just love this one. And yeah guys, with this we are done with today's video. I really hope you all enjoyed watching this. I will be back with a new video again, so yeah, don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit that small bell icon, and yeah, give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down what would you like to see next, or if you have any queries regarding any of these products that I've shown in this video, do let me know in the comment section. And also all the products, all the links of all the products will be below in the description box. And yeah, that's it. We'll meet you guys in my next video. Bye.